Alright, let's do teriyaki salmon on Cooking Conspiracy. Start off with half a cup of water. Follow that up with soy because you need this much salt in your life, believe it or not. Oh, so healthy. Don't forget the sugar, you need that insulin spike. Quarter cup brown sugar. Alright, juice an orange. I still need to get myself a juicer, but too much work. 2 to 3 cloves of diced garlic, and maybe half a tablespoon of fresh grated ginger, a tablespoon of rice vinegar, and stir it about, and that's your base. If you want it sweeter, add more sugar. If you want it spicier, add something spicy to it. Pretty simple. Okay, you're going to marinate your salmon for 45 minutes. Flip it halfway. Leave it in the fridge, cover it, or your fridge will smell like a bad decision from the weekend. Leave it in too long, it won't stay hard. Okay, add to a skillet with oil, hot, medium heat. Now, you can add your teriyaki now. Next time I do it, I'm not going to, because it makes a real mess in the pan. You've marinated it anyways, so you don't really need it for the flavor. It doesn't really add that much. I would just add it at the end, I guess it's fun to play with. I mean, you can kind of scoop it and spoon it over, but just saw some jackass do it on the internet, so I thought I would. Flip it once, or cook it until it flakes with the fork. Thick salmon steak, 4 or 5 minutes each side. First side a little bit longer, second side a little less. Remove, serve, top it with the sauce from the pan or your teriyaki sauce that you've made. It'll be good. Not too complicated. This would also work really well on the grill versus the pan. You do you, though. Okay, it makes a pretty picture though, doesn't it? Yeah, get on my level. Oh, ring the damn bell and subscribe. Don't blur.